Okay, language explorers. So let's have a look at the noun century. Yeah, century. Yeah, very good. Century. Yeah. So 100 years. Wow. So 1 year equals 365 days. So a day is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and beyond. Day equals what? Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Yeah. So that was a strange century. 100 years. So for example, say 1900 to 2000. Yeah, that was a strange century. Yeah. And century, single, one century. It has changed over the centuries. So we get rid of the Y and add IES. Centuries. So we could say from 1500s to 2000. Changed over the centuries. 5 centuries. 5 centuries. Yeah. Very good. Centuries. And the 1900s was a critical century. Critical. Absolutely important. The things that happened then shaped today. The world we live in today. Critical. Critical. The actions and decisions were actions and decisions shaped us today, shaped things today. Yeah, it's critical. It is critical that I record these videos fast. Yeah, fast, critical, very important. Yeah. This is a new century. This is a new century. So, 1st of January 2000. A new century. A new century. Yes. How cool is that? So, we could then say, we could say then, oh, what happened here? Oh dear. There we are. Get rid of that. Okay. Right, so then we could say we have a lot of plans for this century. Plans. I want to do this, I want to do that. We need to build this, we need to go there, do this, create that, achieve this for this century. Yeah. So I have a lot of plans, things I want to do. Things I want to do. Yeah. So they will be busy this century building a lot of cool things. They will be busy with a lot of things. Yeah. Century, 100 years. What will happen? What will happen this century? What will happen this century? A lot of things could happen. A lot of things could happen. Yeah, possible. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you write a sentence with century in it? Century? Put it in the comments below. Yeah. How cool is that? And subscribe to the channel. More videos every day. How cool is that? And you can find me on Facebook and Telegram. Yeah, English with Adrian. And Udemy, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.